The GEEKOM A8. A mini PC that's all about delivering a premium experience without the premium price tag. This machine is a testament to the fact that you don't need a massive tower to enjoy some serious gaming chops. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's ready to elevate your gaming experience. Powering the GEEKOM A8 is the AMD Ryzen 7 7735U processor, a chip that's known for its efficiency and performance. It's more than capable of handling demanding games and applications, all while sipping power efficiently. And for a mini PC, that's a pretty big deal. The GEEKOM A8 comes equipped with a spacious 512GB NVMe SSD, providing ample space for your operating system, applications, and games. Plus, with blazing fast read and write speeds, you can kiss those pesky loading screens goodbye. But what really sets the GEEKOM A8 apart is its design. This thing is seriously sleek. It's got this minimalist aesthetic that just screams premium. It's the kind of machine that you'll be proud to display on your desk. And don't let its good looks fool you. This thing is built for performance. The GEEKOM A8 packs an AMD Radeon 680M graphics card, a capable GPU that can handle most modern games at 1080p resolution with smooth frame rates. To ensure smooth multitasking and a responsive computing experience, the GEEKOM A8 comes with 16GB of DDR4 RAM. Overall, the GEEKOM A8 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a powerful, stylish, and compact gaming PC.